Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can paste the value only in Google Sheets for PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my Google Sheets on my PC, and if you want to paste the value only, you have to select the data first. And here I have prepared my data, so I'm just going to select this data like this. Just select the data. Then we can right click on our touchpad, our mouse, until this option appear on our screen. Then you can choose either cut or copy. And for example, I'm going to select copy, and then we can select the cell where we want to place this data. And for example, I'm going to place this data on the cell. Just right click like this until this option appear on your screen. Then you're going to click on paste spatial, then choose values only. Alright, and this is the copy of this data, but it's only the value, so this is the value only, guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can paste value only in Google Sheets PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.